So let's start with a quick demo. The current version works only on LinkedIn, but we are preparing for Reddit, Twitter and GitHub soon. You can see the extension open. Basically this is going to be our guide. Let's create two projects. I will choose the recruiter mode. Let's say I'm looking for a founding data engineer. I will paste the sample job description and save it. For the second mode, let's say I'm looking for a project management role and I will upload my resume. The reason is very simple. The AI wants to understand my experience, project skills and everything about my profile so that it can match me with the right opportunity. Frankly, the system is still under development. Almost everything you will see in this is unfinished. So let's try a few profiles. Let's say Alexander Wang. I just watched his YC interview. It was a great. As you can see on the right hand side, the AI has analyzed the profile and matched his profile with our requirement. Since we are looking for a founding engineer, the match is little low because he is not the person we want. And let's move on to another one. Let's say someone not in data but in AI. Let's say Alvind. I'm intentionally opening public profiles because I don't want to create privacy issue. The match score is comparatively low, but it suggests him for a strategic networking. We wanted to make this application helps you move faster, get the right opportunity and network. Whether you are hiring, looking for investment or looking for job, you have multiple options. You can select any one of them. So let's go into job. As you can see, there are many jobs and our guide has presented few. You can see some jobs are available. Let's not get into deep. I will save one and let's back to the dashboard. The idea is very simple. Compare candidates, evaluate them faster and help recruiter make decision effortlessly. Now let's move on to save job. Here you have two options, apply directly or apply with AI. This is the interesting part. AI summarizes the job description, the skill needed and what company is looking for. Again, this is not a complete version, but this is good enough to demonstrate. So we have two features for now. The first one is AI resume optimization. It rewrites your resume based on the job requirement, not faking anything, just presenting your existing experience in a better way. The second is email. Is going to optimize it for specific jobs, so you don't have to edit the same email for hundreds of applications.